On February 6th, I'm hosting another free UX workshop. This time, we're fixing dating apps because dating apps are broken.
We all know that dating apps are statistically easier for women. For every female on Tinder, there are 4 males competing for her attention, and women swipe right only 14% of the time compared to men's 46%. There are many reasons for why this imbalance occurs, but what's clear is that generally, males are expected to attract the females. Critics argue that this imbalance on dating apps, combined with historic societal expectations on men, have led to unhealthy viewpoints on the opposite sex. If a man is not physically attractive, wealthy, or has some kind of other desirable status, success on these dating apps is unlikely.
Dating apps. Most of the people on these apps are in a relationship. Half of them are just getting out of a relationship like 2 minutes ago, and the other half are just bored, lonely, seeking validation, or horny.
What do you find the biggest challenge is when using online dating apps?
Tell what a guy's personality is like online. I find that they struggle to show that. Are they social people? Are they funny? Are they extroverts? Are they introverts? Because I've seen some profiles and I've thought, you seem like a cool guy, but why did you post that photo? Yeah.
Why are you holding a fish?
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
The dating market is just like any other market, and the more you advertise yourself, the more likely you're going to end up not getting any bite back, and you end up in a clearance bin for $5 waiting on a mother of 4 to pick you up and take you home and share you with the family.
Oh, damn!
I'm sorry. Because it was a thought. No.
All right, here's the problem with dating apps. You get bored and you're sick of being single, so you download a dating app. You realize dating apps suck, so you delete it. Then you re-download it, delete it again, re-download it, delete it again, for sure this time. A couple weeks go by and you're sick of being single, so you download it again, and then realize you'd rather be by yourself.
Stop it. Get some help.
While historically women were the ones being objectified, dating apps have changed the balance of power as women are also objectifying the men. But this isn't a victory against the patriarchy. Everyone just becomes more superficial.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
The problem with dating apps like Tinder and Bumble and Hinge is they reward girls to play games and manipulate men for attention. You're merely one of thousands of guys she's either going to ignore or try to manipulate. Girls get so much attention on these apps. They have such a torrential deluge of options. You're just guy number 444 out of 1,000. Reality is you're just another number to these girls. These dating apps, all they do is train women to become these entitled sociopaths who swipe man after man to get that next dopamine rush. These apps reward women to chase the next bright, shiny object of the next man's attention. These apps are actively training women to think of men purely in terms of numbers. And the girls, they get hooked on the attention, they get hooked on the validation, they get hooked on playing the game, they get hooked on manipulating. And these dating apps are simply wrecking women. These girls come out broken and out of touch with real human connection. So don't fall for it, gentlemen. Delete this garbage off your phone right now.
The market for dating apps is weird. One moment you're the hot new thing, and then suddenly the app is abandoned for something else. There always seems to be a new dating app being advertised that this one, unlike the others, has some unique feature that is supposedly guaranteed to find you a partner. These are almost always a gimmick, and in time, all these apps will have you churning through endless profiles, teasing glimpses of excitement and possibility, yet rarely do they allow for love to prosper. Swipe right, swipe left. It's all a game of your emotions, but what they don't tell you is that the longer you play, the more single you remain.
But you know, maybe the problem isn't any of those things. Maybe you just need to take better photos.
Pull it up. Say it with me. Count.